Welcome to Lagu paTa from Seoul, the virtual lab. Acceleration analysis of non-Grashof four-bar linkage mechanism. Aim of this experiment is to find the angular acceleration A3, A4 of third and fourth link and acceleration of C with respect to B and absolute acceleration of C. In this explore phase, we have open loop configuration of four-bar non-Grashof mechanism. Here we can observe the position diagram, the velocity diagram, and the acceleration diagram. Here we have AB is equal to R2, B is equal to R3, CD is equal to R4, AD is equal to R1, where R1 is ground or fixed. Also we have input links limits theta2 minimum, theta2 max. Click on the pause button. Observe that the total acceleration is the sum of tangential acceleration and centripetal acceleration. Change the input variables by moving the slider and observe the changes in the simulation. You can also change the angular velocity omega2 of the input link by moving the slider. Click on rotate button to change the direction of the input link. After finishing with the explore phase, we move on to the experiment phase. In this phase, angular velocity omega2 is your given input. Move it to adjust. Begin the experiment by clicking on Start Experiment. Calculate your angular acceleration of A3 using the input variables. Enter your answer. Check your answer. Move to the next question. Calculate the total acceleration of C with respect to B. Check your answer. Move to the next question. Calculate angular acceleration A4. Check your answer. Move to the next question. What is the absolute acceleration of C? Enter your answer. Check the answer. Congratulations, you have successfully finished the experiment. Thank you.